Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start Chrysler 300 with key full guide. Park on level ground, shift to park, and apply the parking brake before you begin. Insert the metal key into the ignition slot and turn gently until the dash lights activate. If the engine doesn't crank, try another cycle and listen for clicks indicating a weak battery or starter issue. Also check the gear selector sensor and steering column lock procedures before calling a locksmith. Try simple troubleshooting before paying for roadside help. Test the battery voltage and clean terminals while keeping connections tight. Wiggle the steering wheel gently as you turn the key to release a locked column. Swap in a spare key if you have one to rule out a damaged key blade. If symptoms persist, use an OBD-ROMAN 2 reader to check for immobilizer or security codes that could prevent starting. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere and has a reliable leak-proof lid, which is perfect when working under the hood. I love its comfortable grip and durable design for garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want one, grab it there. Now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when working around a vehicle, so take a calm, steady approach. Keep the car in park and the parking brake set while you troubleshoot. Wear gloves and eye protection if you will be handling battery cables or exposed components. Carry a small toolkit and a charged jump pack in the trunk for emergencies. Knowing where your owner's manual is and how your trim differs saves time and prevents unnecessary repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.